Hi guys, I'm Dan Rowbottom, Cataclean brand ambassador. We're here today at Team Dynamics Motorsport, and we've got a few Cataclean products that we're going to demonstrate today. Craig, you've had a car come in with a Misfire, I understand, this morning.
That's right, Dan, yeah. So we've had a car come in this morning. We suspect we've got a fueling issue. So one of the tests we would normally do is remove the injectors from the car. We put them on our test rig and see what kind of results we get. Because like we could tell straight away pretty much there's a drama with any injectors.
Okay, and this rig is specifically for fuel injectors?
That is correct, yeah. Okay. So this rig that you see here, you put 4 injectors that can hold up to 8.
Okay.
We've got 4 in there out of the car, and we'll see what kind of patterns we get.
Great, should we give it a go?
Let's give it a go.
So what does that tell us?
That tells us that injector 1 is not really doing all that much, to be fair, if anything at all.
Okay.
Our usual next port call this, we'd remove the injectors from the machine.
Yep.
We'd go to have them ultrasonically clean perhaps.
Okay.
But if one was that bad, you would possibly just fit a new injector.
Okay, so a lot of people now are looking at saving money, saving costs where they can.
Yeah.
So would you humour me? We've had good success in the past with Cataclean cleaning up injectors. So could we refit these to the vehicle?
Absolutely.
Put some in the tank and I'll go and take it for a spin?
We could take them out of the machine, refit them to the car, you fill it up, go and give it some, and we'll see what we've got.
Fantastic. Let's do that then. Right, Craig, I've just been out in that car. Yeah. It was a bit of a pig initially, to be honest. It was a bit rough. By the time I got back, I just spent, what, 35 minutes away? 30 minutes-ish? Yeah. It felt pretty good to me. It felt clean anyway.
Doesn't feel like you're on the pit limit anymore?
Not anymore.
No, okay.
No, it did feel very touring car-esque, actually. That's a good point. I think it's cleaned up. Let's have a look.
Let's have a go. Just like that.
Like magic, eh?
Incredible.
So is that now
that's good? That's a nice spray pattern, that. Yeah. Okay. The main thing is that they're all equal.
Okay.
So it's a good pattern, they're all the same.
Yeah.
Strong chance that it's cleaned up the rest of the injectors as well.
Perfect.
So
okay.
That's a good result.
Well, I think you were a little bit sceptical, is that fair to say?
Yeah.
When I suggested to try it?
Yeah, fair statement.
So I think Cataclean is, it's proven itself again. I think in summary, you can look at it and as a preventative product, it's worthwhile buying, and perhaps even if you've got a misfire or an engine light, it's maybe even worth trying before you even take your car to a garage.
There's no harm. The idea is that it gets rid of the carbon buildup within your car and the fuel system. It cleans the back of the valves, and it can do no harm.
Fantastic. Well, again, thanks guys, we've had a great day, and stay tuned for more.